lest a harvest wrong wound the weak. For all these wounds I yet must feel, and bathe in love until they heal. Why should I carelessly offend, since many joys of life depend on gentle words and peaceful ways? We shed such brightness for our days.
At the end of every day in the workshop, I take up a broom and sweep the floor. Wood chips curl at my feet, shavings gather into small drifts, and the work of the day slowly comes to rest. It's a simple tool, one we use without much thought, but like many ordinary things, it carries more meaning than we usually notice. Years ago, on a whim, I decided it would be fun to try making brooms myself. I planted a small plot of seeds and waited. I couldn't believe how tall they grew. The plants, broomcorn, a type of sorghum, rose well over my head. They look like corn, but with large tassels at the top, heavy with seed. This same plant was once pressed from molasses in Appalachia. Benjamin Franklin is said to have brought the seeds to North America from Egypt. A humble plant with a long history. Making a broom from it feels almost magical. Harvesting it, drying it, combing the fibers, binding them tight, turning something tall and living into a tool meant for the ground. My mother and I began teaching some broom making classes together. We taught a local homeschool family, and watching the children learn, I realized something important. Once knowledge is passed on, it doesn't disappear. It often takes root. That family is still making brooms. We sold a few locally and gave some as gifts. One day, a school custodian noticed one and asked if we would make a broom for him for his retirement. The next day, he came back with an oak handle he'd cut himself. That handle carried a story. Years ago, he and his children gathered acorns from a woodland they visited as a family. When they got home, he planted them in his wife's garden. They grew into trees, and in time, those trees produced their own acorns, which squirrels planted for him, forgetting them as squirrels do. Now oak saplings rise all around his home. After the loss of a family member, he found comfort in those trees. He studied the shape of their branches. One sapling, growing too close to the house, he planned to cut into a walking stick in memory of his late nephew. But when he saw the broom, he chose instead to cut it for that purpose. So, to become something useful, something held every day. He has a teaching degree but worked for many years as a custodian. He's kind. He helps students. He fixes what needs fixing. He tries, quietly, to make people's days a little brighter. There's dignity in that kind of work, and in the broom itself. Historically, brooms took many forms. Early round brooms were pushed along the floor. Later, the Shakers developed the flat broom, sewing it into a shape so it swept more efficiently. They understood something important. Usefulness is a kind of beauty. Now this broom is ready for its next life. The handle once grew from an acorn gathered by children. The bristles once reached toward the sun. Together, they'll sweep floors, mark time, and carry memory forward in small, ordinary gestures. At the end of the day, I still sweep the shop, and every time I do, I'm reminded that much of life is made of these quiet acts, done with care, done well, and handed on.
at the school in 1977, April of 1977, and it's coming up on 50 years, so the broom was a perfect match for getting closer to retirement, a little remembrance, working with brooms, mops, and handles, and it's been a great experience helping the kids open their lockers when they forget their combinations. Yeah.
Lest I harm a strong wound for all these wounds I yet must feel, and bathe in love until they heal. Why should I carelessly offend, since many joys of life depend on gentle words and peaceful ways? We shed such brightness o'er our day.